Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a SEMrush tool, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate a SEMrush, start by visiting the official SEMrush website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in your email address and create a strong password for your account. After filling in your details, click on the Create My Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from SEMrush. Open your email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the SEMrush website. Log in using your email address and the password you created earlier. On the dashboard, you will see several subscription plans offered. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the Choose Plan button. Review the pricing details and features of the selected plan. If satisfied, click on the Proceed to Payment button. Enter your payment information in the secure payment form. After you fill out all required fields, click Pay Now to complete your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will see a confirmation message. Now you can start exploring the SEMrush tools available on your dashboard. To activate specific features, familiarize yourself with the various sections like domain analytics and keyword research. You may also set up projects for your websites to track their performance. Finally, explore the vast library of tutorials and guides available on the SEMrush site to get the most out of your tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.